Cape Town, South Africa. This series of YouTube videos that I've been making for the last 3 days, and it's supposed to be 30 videos in the end, is for beginners, to show them how procrastination is the killer of all businesses. It is the number one, well, I would say it's the number one reason that a lot of entrepreneurs don't reach success, because they decide to procrastinate, and that's like saying, okay, but I'm going to do it later, I'm going to do it tomorrow, I'm not going to do it now, I'm going to do it yesterday, yesterday would be procrastination, sorry, I'll take that back. But my point is, the whole point of these non-valuable videos that I'm making for absolutely no reason, that have no value or any sort of content really about my niche or about anything is to point out the fact that you must not procrastinate. And I'm going to look, I came out with a bad hairdo today. But the point is, if you've been following me, you must subscribe to this video. Subscribe. I want all of you new beginners that are watching this video to subscribe and like and subscribe, because that helps me further my career, and you'll be doing the same thing one day. So below this video you must just subscribe and then follow me. And then after this video you must stop immediately, and your first thing to do is to go make a video on nothing. You can talk about your day's topics, you can talk about Paddington Bear, you can talk about hip-hop, you can talk about soccer, you can talk about football, you can talk about rugby, you can talk about South Africa, you can talk about Australia, you can talk about your mom, your dad, you can talk about a frog jumping over a wall. That's my favorite phrase, a frog jumping over a wall. So the point of the video is, do not procrastinate. Posting something that has nothing is better than posting nothing that has nothing, because nothing will get you nowhere and something might get you somewhere. Well, we hope, we try best. But anyway, the point is, don't procrastinate, ladies and gentlemen. I did it for nearly 4 years, on and off. It cost me, well, 4 years. So start today, start now. It's not hard to start a YouTube channel. Then you take your phone, your mobile device like this. You can go running, you can go swimming, you can go do whatever you want. Videotape yourself for more than a minute, and then post a video on YouTube. Like I said, if you don't have a following, nobody's really going to notice and nobody cares. But the YouTube algorithm will acknowledge that you put your foot in the water and you're getting your foot into the game and you're taking action. It's all about taking action. This is the Online Money Machine. My name is MarcHarris, and this is the beginner's guide to your first 30 videos on YouTube. Basically what I'm going to do after this is, as I go along, the first 30 videos are going to be the series of nothing, and then I'm going to show you the next phase of YouTube, where you start becoming sort of intermediate, and you start getting a little bit of knowledge and doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that, so you smarten up. And then after that, that'll be from 30 to 80, I would say, or 100. And then after that you become smart. You either choose to carry on and become smart, and then you start progressing and making your videos better and better and better, or you continue to make nothing videos and stay at the same level, and then we just call it a hobby. But from this point onwards, we will basically be yeah. So as you progress from the next, from the series, all these videos are going to look alike. Basic video on the phone, da 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 da. From video 30 to 50, which is going to be the second series to my beginner's guide to a YouTube channel, we're going to smarten up, and we're going to take a little bit of more effort into maybe making our videos more quality, finding a little topic to talk about, our niche, so to speak, and etc, etc. But anyway, this is good enough for this video, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you see frogs jumping over your walls. I hope you're all wearing pink robots, and yesterday was today. See, valueless information, but I'm still posting the video. Thank you. Good night.